Welcome back to Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leon. On today's episode, we are going to be making pattern rules. We are also going to be making patterns in many different ways. So we've got a lot of work to do. We're going to take all that knowledge we've learned so far about repeating patterns and put it all together and have some fun on today's episode. So let's get started. Welcome back. So we are going to be looking at patterns and describing them in words. In the practice work I have coming up for you, I have written a bunch of words that you can choose from to help you with spelling and make you feel a little more comfortable doing this activity. Some of you will need the help and others won't. And if you don't, good for you. But if you do, go ahead and take the help. I'm sure you will do just great on the activities coming up. But before you get started, let me show you how to do this. So I've got this pattern with triangles. I have some black triangles and some white triangles. I'm going to circle the pattern core first. So when you're doing your student work, I want you to copy the pattern into your book. I want you to circle the core and then use the words that I have on the slide to help you describe the pattern. And this description ends up being the rule, because if you read this, you could remake that pattern without even knowing what it looked like. So let me show you how it works. So black triangle, black triangle, black triangle, white triangle. Black, 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 white, black, 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 white. Oh, I know what the core is. The core is right here. So I have 4 terms in the core, and I see it's repeating 3 times. And I'm going to describe what that core is to make my pattern rule. So I've done it black triangle, black triangle, black triangle, white triangle. Repeat. So I could put repeat 3 times if I want to be specific, but repeat is enough. So if I were to tell somebody, I'd like you to make this pattern or to cover this up, and I would say, okay, I'm going to describe it. I want black triangle, black triangle, black triangle, white triangle, repeat. They would totally be able to draw that because that is my pattern rule. Have fun making the rules and describing the patterns I've got coming up for you. I will see you soon. Welcome back. Okay, now we're doing the reverse. I'm going to give you a pattern rule and you're going to draw the pattern using my rule. So here's an example of what it looks like. So the rule is pink S, blue S, pink S. Repeat 3 times. I would suggest you circle your core while you're working along just to make sure you're getting it right. So pink S, blue S, pink S, there's one. I'm going to circle that. There's 1. Pink S, blue S, pink S. There's 2. Pink S, blue S, pink S. There's 3. Okay, I followed my pattern rule. Good luck on the slides coming up. Make sure to double check that you're following the rule. We'll see you soon. Welcome back. So now we're going to represent patterns in different ways, the same pattern in a different way. So here you can see I've got a pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue pattern, and I'm going to change that into a letter pattern. This is also known as an AB pattern. So I'm going to change it into an AB. It is in fact the same pattern. Watch what I mean. A, B, A, B, A, B. Can you see that they're the same pattern? They're just shown in two different ways. I've got the same kind of activities coming up for you. Go ahead and have some fun with it and check your work, and I'll see you soon. More pattern fun coming up for you. Now I'm going to give you a pattern, and I want to make the same pattern in two different ways. Maybe one with letters, one with other different shapes. You decide. But here you can see I've got pink, pink, blue, pink, pink, blue, pink, pink, blue. I'm going to make that into an AAB, AAB, AAB. Okay, I'm also going to make that into a line, line, star, line, line, star, line, line, star. It's exactly the same pattern in two different ways. Well, if you include the original, 3 different ways. Have fun on the slides to come. See you soon. Well, we've come to the end of another episode. We have learned a lot today about making patterns in different ways. So representing the same pattern in many different ways. We have also learned about pattern rules, how to make rules and how to use rules. So I hope you had fun on today's episode. I sure did. We will see you again soon. Again, if these videos are useful to you, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.